Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a special opening for you. It is a Mega Charizard Ultra Premium Collection box. I got this at my local Costco. I hope that you enjoy this video as we are going to be opening up 18 booster packs. That is all in this box right here. I hope you stay to the end as we look and see what ultra rares and special illustration rares we are able to find in these Fantasmic Flames and Mega Evolution sets. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, so as you can see here, I took off the wrapping, and this box is covered head to toe in Mega Charizard EX materials. We're going to open up our box here, and to start off with, we got ourselves two promo cards, but this one is a Mega Charizard EX. There's going to be also a Mega Oricorio EX as well. Inside, we got our TCG code card for online, as well as some deck box, which is really nice thickness. It's a really good quality, as well as some sleeves that you would get in a normal Elite Trainer box. We got some dice, a coin, and our booster packs that are on the side. That was what you came for. We also have here a playable mat if you are playing the trading card game. So for the bulk of our video, we are going to be opening up these 18 booster packs today, hoping to get something good. We got ourselves a Phantasmic Flames. We got us some old school Destined Rivals from Scarlet and Violet, as well as some Surging Sparks. Maybe I can get that Latias EX. Who knows? We got some Mega Evolutions and some Journey Together packs. Alrighty. So we got Surging Sparks, Journey Together, Phantasmic Flames, Destined Rivaled, and Mega Evolution. So I'm gonna kind of open these how they were released, but we're gonna try it like this. So we're gonna open up our Surging Sparks set first. Again, I've been really trying to find that Latias EX special illustration rare. Maybe we can find that in one of our packs today. Also looking for the Mega Gardevoir EX. So we're going to start off this pack with a basic Darkness Energy, Charcadet, Alolan Diglett, Spheal, Capsakid, Ceruledge, and Didi, a Dusk Ball. We got ourselves a Miracle Headset. This is an Ace spec card. Really nice to start off our pack here. Call Bell. And our rare is going to be a Landorus Hollow. Alright, moving on to the second pack here. We got a lot of packs to open up today, so hoping to see what we can pull. We got ourselves a basic Fighting Energy here. Mesprit, Scatterbug, Bouffalant, Phoebus, Golden Eggo, Dusk Ball, Ho-Ho, Magneton, Bronzor, and our rare is going to be an Alolan Executor EX, which is a great pull as well. Starting off our Ultra Premium Collection box on a good note. Now we got ourselves Destined Rivals. Destined Rivals is a set that I don't even know if I've opened up yet, but seeing what we can pull out of these four packs here. Alright, we got a Psychic Energy, a Team Rocket's Grimer, Rotom, Steven's Carbink, Scova, a Orgapon, Liepard here, Team Rocket's Great Ball, a Growlithe Reverse, a Swallow reverse, and our rare is a Misty Gyarados. Really nice. Kind of going back to those old school cards, which name them after a trainer. We got ourselves a basic Lightning Energy, Maskiff, Dolliv, Heat Rotom, Impidimp, Abomasnow, Weezing, Team Rocket's Petro. We got a Larvitar reverse, a Misty Psyduck reverse, and our rare is going to be a Gorbis. Alright, so nothing far as Destined Rivals, unfortunately. Maybe we can get a Mewtwo, maybe not. We will see. Get some pack magic in here. We got ourselves a basic Leaf Energy, Mareep, Mankey, Magikarp, Houndour, Weezing, Granite Cave, Ampharos. We got ourselves a Rapidash. Alright, we got ourselves a first illustration rare. This is the Team Rocket's Houndoom. Really nice card to pull, as well as a Blaziken Hollow. Alrighty, so this is the last Destined Rivals. We got a Metal Energy, Zubat, Nosepass, Raticate, Arrokuda, Orgapon, Shaman, Ethan's Adventures, Yanma, Sacred Ash, and our rare is a Team Rocket's Articuno. Moving on, we got ourselves Scarlet and Violet Journey Together. Maybe we can get a Lily's Clefairy in this. Pretty optimistic on this pack. We got a basic Fighting Energy, Black Belt's Training, a Shelmet, Rockruff, Caterpie, a Copperjaw, Ends Castle, Oinkalong, Spiky Energy, a Cramorant, and a Hops Snorlax. We got ourselves a Lily's Clefairy on this pack art here. Maybe that is some intervention for some Clefairy. We got ourselves a basic Leaf Energy, Dalmice, Black Belt's Training, Shelmet, Rockruff, Copperajah, Ends Castle, Oinkalong, almost the same pack here. We got a Cubone, a Ludicolo, which is a rare reverse, and we got ourselves a Full Art Salamence EX, which is a really nice tool. We needed another pack like that. Alrighty. Got ourselves basic Psychic Energy, Magmar, Wooloo, Beldum, Bagon, Exceligor, Pelipper, Greedent. We got ourselves a Dredagon, a Stunfisk, and we got a Lily's Rimobee. Last pack of Journey Together. Let's see what we can pull here. Out of 18 packs, I was hoping to get a couple of good cards. Looks like we've gotten 3 so far on top of our promo cards. We got a basic fire energy, Caterpie, Magmar, Wooloo, Beldum, Axelgore, Lily's Pearl, Greedent, Super Potion Reverse, Meowscarada Reverse, which is a rare, and a Dunsparce EX. Moving on, we got ourselves some Mega Evolutions here. Looking to get that Gardevoir EX, part of my personal collection. Got ourselves a basic Electric Lightning Energy, Chikorita, Mantine, Miltank, Shroodle, Magnezone, Acerola's Mischief, Scorch, Curlier Reverse, Nostoc Reverse, and a Fighting Gong Full Art Trainer card, which is really nice. Hopefully you're staying to the end of this video as we go through some Fantastic Flames packs, but we are finishing up our Ultra Mega Evolutions set. Krogunk, Spoink, Kadabra, Fighting Gong. This is just the regular trainer. We got the full art version of that. We got Houndstone. We got a ultra rare, which is a reverse, a Score Bunny reverse, and a Steelix hollow. Already over halfway done, almost there. We got a Leaf Energy, Clonger, Pachirisu, Giraffre, Nicely, Shuckle, Risky Ruins, Houndstone, Eladios Reverse, which is really nice, Alakazam, which is a rare reverse hollow, and we got ourselves a Mega Venusaur EX card, which is a really nice pull, seeing that was a Mega Venusaur pack art. Alrighty, so our last pack for Mega Evolutions, we got ourselves a Fighting type energy, a Tyrogue, Sobble, Electrike, Baneri, Pyroar, Inkaton, Acerola's Mischief, Tyrogue, Chikorita Reverse, and a Yveltal rare. Alrighty, and our last four packs gonna be some Phantasmic Flame. Maybe we can get that Mega Charizard EX from the Mega Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection box. We will see. We got a basic Electric Energy, Bronzor, Dugong, Ghastly, Mimikyu, Wigglytuff, Eternatus, Jumbo Ice Cream, Toxtricity, which is a reverse rare, a Dizzying Valley reverse, and a Miss Magius EX card. We got ourselves a basic Psychic Energy, a Swinub, Lotad, Boltund, Baneri, Dawn, Seviper, Grand Bull. We got a reverse Celeretch, a reverse Seal, and we got ourselves a Moltres rare. Alrighty, almost there. We got a basic grass type energy, Yamper, Snubble, Murkrow, Darumaka, Seviper, Dawn, Cresselia, Haunter Reverse, Cresselia Reverse, and a Mega Sharpedo EX card. Alright, our last pack. Let's get some last pack magic for this set. Mega Heracross. So far, out of each of our sets we've opened up, we've been able to pull at least a EX card or greater. We got ourselves a basic fighting type energy, Mimikyu, Aipom, Vibrava, Sandile, Haunter, Lokix, Bronzong, Oddish Reverse, Piplup Reverse, and our rare is a Flygon, just a non-regular hollow for this last card of the set. I appreciate you staying to the end of this video. Let's see what we got here. So we got a Mega Sharpedo EX, Miss Magius EX, a Mega Venusaur EX, a Full Art Fighting Gong Trainer card, Dunsparce EX, a Full Art Salamence EX, illustration rare Team Rocket's Houndoom, as well as a Alolan Executor EX, and a spec Miracle Headset Trainer card. Thank you so much for watching all of this video, and stay tuned as I try to post as often as I can for these unboxings. Thank you.